Are you ready to fast-track your journey to financial success? Today, we're diving into 12 proven strategies to accelerate your path to wealth. Building wealth isn't about overnight success. It's about implementing smart strategies, disciplined habits, and a clear vision. Whether you're just starting out or already on your financial journey, these strategies will help you achieve your wealth-building goals sooner. As you watch, leave a comment below with the financial goal you're currently working towards. Let's inspire each other to stay on track. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Millionaire Lux Room, where we help you achieve financial freedom, cultivate a wealth mindset, embrace entrepreneurship, and find daily inspiration and motivation. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today we're talking about wealth building, a goal shared by many but achieved by those who approach it strategically. There's no magic formula for instant riches, but there are proven strategies that can help you reach financial success faster. So, let's get started with the first strategy. Number 1. Set clear financial goals. The first step to getting rich sooner is setting clear, specific financial goals. Without a roadmap, it's easy to get lost or distracted. Determine what rich means to you, whether it's a certain net worth, a specific income level, or the ability to retire early. Break down these goals into actionable steps and set timelines to achieve them. Clear goals give you direction and help you stay focused on what really matters. Actionable tip: write down your financial goals and review them regularly. This keeps you focused and motivated as you work towards your wealth-building milestones. What's your top financial goal right now? Share it in the comments. We'd love to hear what you're working towards. Number 2. Cultivate a wealth mindset. A wealth mindset is the foundation of financial success. It involves believing in your ability to create wealth and viewing money as a tool for achieving your dreams. People with a wealth mindset see opportunities where others see obstacles, and they're proactive in seeking out ways to grow their income and investments. Your mindset plays a huge role in your financial journey, so it's essential to cultivate a positive, abundance-oriented outlook. Actionable tip: practice positive affirmations and surround yourself with successful, like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you to think big. What's one belief or mindset shift that has helped you on your financial journey? Share it with us in the comments. Number 3. Invest early and wisely. The power of compound interest cannot be overstated. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Investing wisely means understanding the risks and potential returns of various investment options, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. The earlier you start, the more significant your financial gains will be in the long run. Actionable tip: start with a diversified portfolio that matches your risk tolerance. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to develop a personalized investment strategy. If you've already started investing, what's been your most successful investment strategy? Let's discuss in the comments. Number 4. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single income source can limit your financial growth. Diversifying your income streams through side businesses, freelancing, passive income, or investments can accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Multiple income streams provide financial security and increase your earning potential, reducing your dependency on any one source of income. Actionable tip: identify skills or hobbies that can be monetized and explore ways to create additional income streams, such as real estate investing, starting an online business, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. What's an additional income stream you've created? Share your ideas with the community in the comments. Number 5. Live below your means. Living below your means is a critical habit for building wealth. It involves spending less than you earn and avoiding lifestyle inflation, which occurs when you increase your spending as your income rises. By keeping your expenses in check, you can save and invest more, speeding up your journey to wealth. It's not about depriving yourself, but making intentional choices about how you spend your money. Actionable tip: create a budget and stick to it. Prioritize saving and investing over unnecessary spending. Track your expenses to ensure you're living within your means. How do you keep your spending in check? Let's exchange budgeting tips in the comments. Number 6. Continuously educate yourself. Financial literacy is key to making informed decisions about your money. Continuously educating yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies will empower you to make smarter financial choices. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of wealth building. Actionable tip: read books, listen to podcasts, and take courses on personal finance and investing. Stay updated on financial news and trends to make informed decisions. What's your favorite resource for financial education? Share it in the comments. Let's build a library of wealth-building wisdom. Number 7. Take calculated risks. Getting rich often involves taking calculated risks. Whether it's starting a business, investing in real estate, or entering the stock market, taking risks is part of the wealth-building process. However, it's important to differentiate between calculated risks and reckless decisions. Calculated risks are informed, well-thought-out choices that have the potential to bring significant returns. Actionable tip: before taking a financial risk, thoroughly research and assess the potential rewards and downsides. Have a contingency plan in place in case things don't go as expected. What's the biggest calculated risk you've taken? How did it turn out? Let's talk about it in the comments. Number 8. Build and protect your credit. Good credit is a valuable asset on your path to wealth. It allows you to borrow money at lower interest rates, which can save you thousands over the course of a mortgage, car loan, or business loan. Protecting your credit by paying bills on time and keeping debt levels low is crucial for financial success. Your credit score can open or close doors, so it's essential to keep it strong. Actionable tip: regularly check your credit report and score. Address any errors or discrepancies immediately and focus on maintaining a strong credit history. How do you stay on top of your credit? Share your tips in the comments. Number 9. Leverage the power of networking. Networking isn't just about socializing, it's a powerful tool for building wealth. By connecting with successful individuals, you can gain valuable insights, opportunities, and resources. Networking can open doors to new business ventures, partnerships, and investment opportunities that can accelerate your wealth-building journey. Your network is your net worth, so build it wisely. Actionable tip: attend industry events, join professional groups, and use social media platforms like LinkedIn to connect with influencers and potential collaborators in your field. What's the most valuable connection you've made through networking? Let's discuss the power of networking in the comments. Number 10. Practice smart tax planning. Effective tax planning can help you retain more of your hard-earned money. By understanding tax laws and taking advantage of deductions, credits, and tax-efficient investment strategies, you can minimize your tax burden and maximize your wealth. Taxes can take a big bite out of your income, so smart planning is essential to keep more of what you earn. Actionable tip: work with a tax advisor or accountant to develop a tax strategy that aligns with your financial goals. Consider tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks to grow your investments tax-free or tax-deferred. What strategies have worked for you? Share your insights in the comments. Number 11. Stay disciplined and patient. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Staying disciplined in your financial habits and being patient with your investments are key to long-term success. Avoid the temptation of get-rich-quick schemes, which often lead to financial setbacks. Instead, focus on steady, consistent growth. Discipline and patience are the unsung heroes of wealth building. Actionable tip: set up automatic contributions to your savings and investment accounts to ensure you stay on track. Remember that compounding works best over time, so be patient and let your investments grow. How do you stay disciplined and patient on your wealth-building journey? Let's share strategies in the comments. Number 12. Give back and create value. Wealth is not just about accumulating money, it's also about creating value and giving back to society. By contributing to causes you care about and helping others, you create a positive impact that extends beyond financial success. Moreover, giving back can open up new opportunities and networks that further your wealth-building efforts. When you create value, you attract wealth. Actionable tip: identify causes or organizations that resonate with you and commit to contributing your time, money, or expertise. Giving back can be a powerful motivator and a source of fulfillment on your journey to wealth. How do you give back and create value in your community? Let's inspire each other in the comments. Conclusion: fast-tracking your path to wealth. Building wealth is a complex journey that requires a combination of smart strategies, disciplined habits, and a long-term vision. By applying these 12 proven strategies, you can accelerate your path to financial success and achieve your wealth-building goals sooner. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Experiment with these strategies, adapt them to your circumstances, and stay committed to your financial journey. With determination and the right mindset, you can build the wealth that you desire and enjoy the financial freedom that comes with it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to the Millionaire Lux Room for more insightful content. Let us know in the comments, which of these strategies are you most excited to implement? How do you plan to accelerate your path to wealth? Your experiences can inspire others.